Hello, everybody. Welcome to week 13. It's a very short week we have going on. I'm just going to quickly go over the assignments for this week. There are not a lot. The only thing I have for you is the 2.3.6 electrical systems notes, which I actually had the PowerPoint in last week's folder, but I'm changing it to be due this week. And you can see that there is a little note submission spot for that. I also changed the assignment that was due last week, the Revit assignment. I made it due at the end of this current week. So you can see if you go into it, the project 2.3, the affordable home design or housing design, it's due Sunday, November 29th instead of yesterday, the 22nd. The reason I did this is because I had a bunch of people emailing me saying they had some issues with Revit, or Revit crashed, or things were failing to load. I just want to make sure that you've got enough time to get it done and you're not stressing, especially while we're at home. So if you're still struggling with Revit, please make sure you just take your time. If you can't get it done, you can't get it done, but we gotta focus on getting it done when we get back into school. I also have in your updates, if you go to updates, you'll see a form, a Revit software form that I would like you to fill out. This will help me gather information, if you haven't done so already, on who has access to Revit and who doesn't. So fill that out for me so I can get that to Mr. Kaufman in IT. Otherwise, that is what I have for you this week. It's the notes for the I'm blanking, sorry, for 2.3.6 electrical systems. And then focusing on the Revit assignment if you did not get that done. Otherwise, you're good to go. I hope you guys have a great Thanksgiving break, and I will see you all when we return. Bye.